Hi everyone! Chinese New Year is around the corner. I'm so excited to welcome the Year of the Tiger. Are you excited? And Tiger is fierce, adventurous, and energetic. I hope this year brings us good vibe, energy, and good health, and all the happiness. And New Year's Eve this year falls on January 31st. Traditionally, we have a big dinner with the family. Of course, I miss my family in China. I will celebrate it with them remotely. So I'm gonna cook either big dinner, like 8-9 dishes, which are good numbers, like I did last year, or probably just cook a hot pot with everything in it. So I would recommend you to make fish. Fish sounds like abundant in Chinese, 鱼. So it's good luck. Either you can make whole fish or fish fillet. I'm going to list the Chinese New Year recipes down below in the description box. Check it out. Also let me know what are your traditions, how your family celebrate Chinese New Year. What are your favorite dishes? Of course, for me, it's fish is a favorite dish, and followed by sticky rice, sweet sticky rice. Then on New Year's Day, as kids, when we grew up, we were so excited because we're supposed to get a red envelopes, multiple envelopes. So basically, you give kids or elders red envelopes with money inside. Of course, this is good luck. Giving brings you good luck. This is a 4. It's like the other one means fortune. You normally put it upside down, as I did. So which means 4, the fortune arrived. Dao in Chinese, Dao means arrived. And also on New Year's Day, we visit relatives and families, and we bring gifts. So thanks to Yummy, and they provide me with all the New Year gifts I want to share with you guys. So Yummy is a North American online Asian market. You can buy all your food and beauty stuff and home stuff, and they ship to US mostly. Also some of the items ship to Canada. Please go to yummybuy.com, or you can also download the Yummy app as I did. And right now they have a Chinese New Year sale, 12% site-wide, and also have the promo code. I'm going to list it in the description box below. You $10 off if you're a first user, and $10 off if you buy $99 and over. And let me share with you what I got. First gift box is what I picked. So normally I don't bake. This has all the desserts. This is pineapple, this dates. This is those twists made of flour, sesame and dates, and the walnuts, cookies, and also looks great, right? Red is lucky color. I'm wearing red, and you should wear red or some bright color on New Year's Day. This is the first one, and this will be good for kids. And the name is good, Wang Wang. Wang Wang means prosperous. Next, this is nuts shortcakes. It's very crispy. Cannot wait to try it. And here's one, a jar of the crisp candies. This is the candies actually I grew up, we eating that all the time. I love it. It's made of nuts and sesame. And here's a handle. Great gift, right? And this too, I have to open it. And this one's Japanese green tea, sencha tea. It's awesome, green tea. Can open this. So pretty. And I have 2 tins. And here's a tiger. 2. Oh, Oops. So cute, right? And it's also good decorations. That's a tea. And last one, I know this is. This is a very popular for New Year. It's pretty. Should we open it? You need to open it over here. Easy. Can't wait. It's egg rolls, sweet egg rolls. Let me show you guys. See how pretty, right? Goes perfectly with the tea. And some cookies. Actually, this is chocolate. Beautiful, isn't it? Looks like a new year now. What do you want to try, Mr. Cameraman?
I want to try one of your childhood candies.
Yeah? 舒心糖. Crisp.
What kind are they?
They're made of nuts and sesame seeds. If I can open this. Here we go. I'll give you a red color. Good luck.
Okay, let's
For the
open
new
this
year.
up. Wow, it smells great.
I know. Of course, if you're allergic to peanuts, you can buy something else without peanuts.
Wow.
Have
That's
a lot
delicious.
of choices on yummybuy.com.
It's delicious.
Right?
I love it. So fresh.
Awesome.
Another one of the red ones.
Another one? There you go.
Wow. Amazing.
So crispy. Okay, what else do you want to try?
How about one of those in the pink box there with the flowers? That looks nice.
The egg rolls, right?
Yeah.
No, always popular. Here's a red
Thank you.
one. So if you buy any, you pick anything on yummybuy.com or Yummy
God.
app,
This is
please
amazing.
tag them.
It's amazing.
Hashtag unbox with Yummy.
Wow.
Inside
fresh.
is like a
Yeah, it's like
chocolate?
a chocolate or something in there. Delicious.
sweet.
Delicious.
Wow, I'm so happy.
We're going to gain weight.
Yeah, check it out, guys. At yummy.com, and Yummy app. Pick some good stuff for the new year, for yourself, for your family, your friends. And I wish everybody a wonderful new year, the year of the tiger. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.